Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Ultimate Cooking Gallery. Today I am going to share one of the tastiest side dish for chapati, mushroom butter masala. Please note down the ingredients and let's start our cooking. Heat some oil in a pan. Add one sliced onion and fry the onions till they become translucent. Now add some cashew nuts, 3 to 4 chopped tomatoes. Cook it for 5 to 10 minutes. Allow it to cool and add it to a jar. Add some coriander leaves and grind it to a paste. Now heat some butter in the same kadai. Add 2 slit green chilies, 1 bay leaf, 2 to 3 cardamoms, 1 tablespoon of kasturi methi, pinch of garam masala, 1 tablespoon of red chili, pinch of turmeric powder. Now add 200 grams of chopped mushrooms. Add some salt. Mix it well and cook it for 5 to 10 minutes. Now add the grinded masala. Mix it well and cook it for 5 to 10 minutes on a low flame. Now your mushroom butter masala is cooked well and ready to serve. Serve it hot as a side dish for chapati or rotis. My videos are available on YouTube, Facebook and Instagram. So please like, share, subscribe, follow and don't forget to leave your comments in the comment box. Thank you.